Hello mga brothers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, isa na naman vlog ipapakita ko sa inyo. Isa sa mga bagong unit ni Oppo ngayon ay ang Oppo A series. Meron tayong bagong model, ito po yung ating Oppo A58. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Brother Pongs TV. Please like, comment, and don't forget to press the bell button to be updated on my videos. Available color, meron tayong glowing black and dazzling green. Pagdating naman sa size and weight, thickness natin naka 7.9mm, weight natin is 192 grams. Pagdating sa storage, 6GB RAM 128. Screen display natin naka 6.72. Screen to body ratio natin 91.40%. Main camera 50 megapixel. Front camera natin 8 megapixel. Chipset MediaTek Helio G85. CPU speed naka 8 core up to 2.0 GHz. Battery 5000 mAh battery. 33 wattage Superbook. So in terms of biometric naman guys, ito is naka fingerprint, face recognition, nano SIM card, 3 cards that's available. Then naka Bluetooth 5.3, USB Type-C na rin siya guys. Then 3.5mm jack, NFC supported na rin. Operating system ni Oppo A58 is ColorOS 13.1. Price natin guys, Oppo A58 9,999.